These are the early morning struggles that I have, you guys. I'm like, what should I do with my hair? I figure out what to do with the hair, and then I'm like, oh, I don't like that. How's that? Yeah, it's better. Okay, so it's super early. I'm getting ready to go to work, and this will be a quick behind the scenes video showing you guys how I get ready. But I'm gonna wear a skirt today. I'm gonna wear my pink nubuck skirt, and then I thought, ooh, which ones would go really well with that? The SheerChemisty ones. I haven't worn these in a while. These are the New York Soul ones in medium. Here they are. Just show you guys what I actually apply on my skin. I use bio oil skincare. This is the big one. Can't forget the feet. And there are the tights. I really like these. This is my favorite shade of pink, in case you guys are wondering. This like millennial pink that they like to call it. These, once again, are the SheerChemisty New York Soul tights. Absolutely love these babies. They're just so complimentary to my skin tone, and look at that shine. Like, freaking love it, honestly. So you can see the blue really, really clearly through the tights. And I wonder what color I should do next. But that's the that's the toe area. Oh, actually I forgot one thing. This bad boy. This is the Brazilian Crush body fragrance mist. So usually before I run out the door, I give myself a quick spritz of this on the body. If you guys have never smelled this, you need to. It smells so good. So hopefully if you guys have enjoyed this video, don't forget to continue to support me on Patreon, where you get lots more videos from me. So yeah, follow all my links and everything else. They will be linked in the description section down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.